Now, folks, saying these jokes, I just feel so lovely and so warm, and it just never stops. You see, which dog tastes better when eaten? A hot dog. Now, this is what happens for us drivers out there. A learner driver goes, what happens when everything's coming your way? And the instructor said, you're going the wrong way. Excuse me now, folks, you see, I'm just feeling so love to boy you. But the next joke goes, a robot to a monster. Now the robot goes, oh, you stop with those arrows out there. But now the robot goes, I have to dry my feet carefully after a bath. The monster goes, why? And the robot goes, otherwise I get rusty nails.